Hello, everyone. Welcome to a resource on using TallyFlex to help monitor and track student behavior. We are going to be working with the app TallyFlex. And TallyFlex is a great way to track classroom behaviors and use this data to bring to MTSS and intervention planning. And so this resource is set up to bring you through the setup of the app, adding students to the app and their behaviors, and then using the app's features to track student behavior. And then it also goes over how to then use the data that you have collected and bring it up to an intervention planning meeting. So I want to start this video with just a how to use our resource. And you're starting on the home screen, and at the very bottom of the home screen, you're going to see that there is a feedback button. So at the end of this or after you have used the resource, if you do have any suggestions or thoughts, please feel free to fill out that form. As you go up through these navigation pieces, you're going to go to Start. And this is where you are going to download your app and get all of the things set up in your account. You'll then move over to Setup, and this is going to walk you through adding your students to your account and adding their behaviors to their profile. We have a walkthrough video here. If you press play, it'll walk you through adding those students and their behaviors. And then it also at the very bottom has a walkthrough of how to start a session. So how you actually go in and record the behaviors as they are happening in real time. Once you have done that, you're going to move over to this Cases tab. And this is going to talk about behavior in general, talk about negative versus positive behaviors, decreasing behaviors and increasing behaviors. And then there are 6 different methods of behavior tracking that this resource is going to focus on. It's going to focus on duration, frequency, latency, percent correct, partial interval, and whole interval. And you're going to be able to click on each of these little videos. They are very short, less than a minute, and it just goes over how to run a session using that method for tracking behaviors. Then you're going to move down, and there is a scenario practice where it goes through the different scenarios. You can click your answer and check it. If it is correct, it'll move you on to the next question. If it is not, it will bump you back to that same question, have you try again. Then it goes into uses, so how to export the data, another walkthrough video, as well as going over behavior trends and going through a report. Then it also has some common best practices and troubleshooting, so things to avoid, how you can integrate this into your daily routine, and I also have some frequently asked questions and troubleshooting. Finally, you have your resources. So I do have a tracking methods cheat sheet, a meeting prep checklist, and reinforcement strategies cheat sheet. If you click on each of these, you can open them up and download them or print them off. I have some professional development links, some links that you can go and check out if you want to learn more. And again, I have that feedback form for when you have used the source and if you have any thoughts or suggestions. Last but not least, just a little about me, learn about me, where this project started, why I created it. But all right, you are all set and ready to move on to start your walkthrough.